It's a frameless dump. It hinges back there. I'll show
Oh, so
you.
it dumps sideways? Like
No, it goes up.
it goes up?
Usually you see these flop over. It goes up like the truck in the pub.
Okay.
But instead of it pivoting just there, it pivots back here.
Oh, gotcha. And what causes them to...
Well, they're just because they're
The
so
weight distribution?
you have to be super level.
Gotcha. And we all know the ground is super level.
This is one of those. This is class of 63.
Oh my gosh. Goldie.
It is. This is probably him too, I guess. Maybe these guys here. I don't know. No, this is different. So he's got one here. Oh, that's kind of.
So this opens then this way.
The whole cab.
All of the doors and everything?
The whole cab.
Oh boy.
There's a hinge.
Yeah, I see the hinges here.
Yeah. You lift it back here.
So if you have to work on something, you expose all of that?
Yes. Here's the jack on here. Yeah. Oh, right here. Duh. Right here.
Oh, okay.
It's like a bottle jack.
Wow.
Or floor jack.
Gotcha. So what happens if you had stuff in the back? Sleeper.
Well, you have to secure everything.
Gotcha.
This is a badass truck here. I drive this one every day. Cool old ride. There's the neighbors. How you guys doing?